Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of your live team I am here. Today's our topic is related to our agriculture series, and the topic is agriculture system in Iran. Starts our video. About one third of the Iran's total surface area is suitable for farms, but in many areas most of it is not cultivated due to the soil erosion or a poor distribution of water. Only 12% of the total area is under cultivation, arable land and orchards and the vineyard, but less than one third of the area is irrigated. All the rest are dedicated up to the cultivation of the land. About 92% of the agriculture products depends on water. The most fertile soil in the western and northwestern parts of the country. Iran's food security index is about 96 to 96%. The total area of the land is used for the grazing and grazing. Most of the grazing occurs in the semi-arid areas, in the mountainous area, and in the vicinity of the major Iranian desert. Thus, the non-agricultural level represent 53% of the Iran's total area. About 39% of the country is surrounded by the desert, salt flats, Kavirar, and the very rocky mountains, which are not suitable for agriculture purpose. The wildlands cover about 7% of Iran's total surface area, and 7% covers cities, towns, villages, industries, areas, and roads. At the end of the 20th century, agriculture activities accounted for about one-fifth of the Iran's gross domestic products and used a comparable proportion of the workforce. Most farms are small, less than 25 acres, and not economically viable, which has contributed to the widespread migration of the cities. In addition to water shortage and poor soil areas, the seeds are of the low quality and the techniques of farming are antique. All these factors have contributed to low crop yield and poverty in rural areas. Moreover, after the 1979 revolution, many agricultural workers claimed ownership rights and forced labor on privately owned farms. The legal disputes arising from this conflict could not be resolved until the 1980s, and many owners abandoned large investment and which would improve agricultural productivity and further impair production. During the 1990s, the government development efforts and incentives, however, made slight improvement in the agriculture production, which helped Iran toward its goal of restoring national self-sufficiency in the food production. Land use and the irrigation. Land use in Iran, the average annual rainfall is 8800 millimeter, but in the Iran the annual rainfall is only 220 millimeter on the whole. Iran land is not well suited for the large scale of agriculture. About 36,000 kilometer of areas is about 12% of the total area of the country. Nevertheless, 63% lands of the cultivated land and not being used, and of the existing farms are being used with the capacity of 2% to the farms in Iran irrigated and the rain-fed fields are used. In 2005, about 13.05 million acres of the land was being cultivated, and of which 50.45% of the allocated for irrigation farming, and remaining 49.555% was allocated for the rain-fed system. As of 2013, the area under cultivation has increased to 8 million acres, while 10 million acres of the rain suffers.